Alright guys, Carlson Nursery Co. coming at you with one more video. Today we're doing our Trichocereus. So we have all of these bluish varieties, or your Trichocereus peruvianus. Your green types would be your Trichocereus pachanoi. You have this Lake Ellis over here. You have a Scopulicola, which is no spines. Here's Lake Ellis grafted. We'll get into grafting later on. This is something honey bear cacti came up with. It's a hybrid of some sort. He's very cool. So we got a Trichocereus peruvianus coyote, open air pollinated. It's probably my favorite. We have a Brigesii cultivar Vienna. There's an Oceanside O2, a Sal's Blue. These basal pups are coming out crazy on all of these. This is a Jules Giant Blue. This is a massive cactus. Another Oceanside O2. This is something called the Four Winds Brigesii. This is off of a cultivar called Hydra. It grows as a bush instead of a collimular. This is a stump of this. I cut this and then these popped up. This is a Australian variety called Dawson's Number 2. And we can go over pot sizes quick. So this is fully rooted in here. This has been in here for a year. He can go up to the next size. This is a 2.75. This is a 3.75. We basically call this a 4. Now these big ones can go up to the next size, which would be a half gallon. And when they get about this big, they can go up to a full gallon. There's not really a reason to go any bigger than that. But if you guys have seen my other videos, gypsum, I just added this to all of them. It's a small pinch like this per pot. And I just did a video on this soil mix. And if you guys don't have one of these, you need to get one. These things are lifesavers. Scoop, tweezers, gloves. That's all you need for growing cacti and rooting hormone. So here is our fertilizer. It's a master blend, 3-part tomato formula. And just as a demonstration, I'm gonna show you how I do it. This is hot water. This is all you need. Here's your part 1. Make sure you use the same measurements I do. You could ruin it. Half teaspoon. Completely dissolve that. Go to step 2, which is your Epsom salts. Dissolve, and then your calcium nitrate. And I brought this up in another video. You have to pick your fertilizer carefully, as well as your soil mixtures. I use Fox Farms Ocean Forest, and it's high in nitrates. This calcium is very high. This is very low. So you need to pick exactly the right things. Do your research, guys. Sickly yellow color is what you want, and then what you would do is fill it to the top to dilute it down all the way, and then that avoids nasty little marks like on this one. See that? Yeah, that was an oopsie. And these little black spots, these are called humidity spots. That's from being wet too long. We had a very wet summer, so yeah. San Pedros are used as ornamental cacti from shamans, and as well as some of you may know, they use things like this one or like this one to extract mescaline and do ceremonies. I grow these just because I like them. Like, how can you not? Look at this thing. But yeah, that's all I had for today, guys. I shot another video talking about the soil structure, and this was just something quick to go run over because I've had people ask, and I just wanted to inform everybody. That's all this is going to be. It's going to be my shorts and talking about it. So thanks. See you next week.